cuties. Today we are going to learn 1, 2, 3. Are you excited? Let's go. 1 apple. 1 apple. 2 balloons. 1, 2. 3 ducks. 1, 2, 3. 4 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 aeroplanes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 bulbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 10 fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Repeat after me one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's sing it together. 1 red apple, big and round. 2 balloons fly off the ground. 3 small ducks go quack, quack, quack. 4 bright stars light up the black. 1, 2, 3, let's count some more. Numbers are fun, let's explore. 5 big balls go roll, roll, roll. 6 ice cream so cold, cold, cold. 7 planes go zoom, zoom, zoom. 8 red hearts fill up the room. 1, 2, 3, let's count some more. Numbers are fun, let's explore. 9 bright bulbs glow in the dark. 10 small fishes swim and spark. Counting numbers is such fun. Now we have finished 1 to 10. Bye bye. See you in the next video.